Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect controller to GeForce Now. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The process is fairly simple, but it can vary slightly depending on the device you're using. Most controllers, including Xbox wireless controllers and other Bluetooth or USB options, are supported. To start, connect your controller directly to your device. You can do this either with a USB cable for a plug-and-play setup or through Bluetooth. If you're using Bluetooth, go to your device's settings, open the Bluetooth section, turn it on, and select Add Device. Then put your controller into pairing mode and choose it from the list to connect. Once your controller is connected, open GeForce Now. In most cases, the app will automatically recognize the controller without any extra setup. If you're using a mobile device like Android or iPhone, the process is similar. Enable Bluetooth in your settings, pair the controller, and then launch GeForce Now. The controller should start working as soon as you begin a game. For smart TVs, you can pair your controller through the TV's Bluetooth settings before opening the GeForce Now app, as long as the feature is supported. If your controller isn't working properly, try restarting the app, reconnecting the Bluetooth, or switching to a wired connection for a more stable experience. You can also check that your controller firmware is up to date and ensure it's not connected to multiple devices at the same time, as that can cause input issues. And that's it. So that's basically how you can connect controller to GeForce Now. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.